Children, tomorrow we are going to Grandma's house.
Wow, Mama, I want to pack my teddy bear. And I want my train and storybook. Let's pack everything. Yeah.
Let's pack everything for Grandma's.
I'm helping, Mama. My train goes here.
It will be a beautiful family trip.
Children, are you ready for the trip?
Yes, Mama. I packed my teddy bear. And I packed my train and snacks.
Good job, children. The train will leave soon.
I am so excited to see Grandma. Me too. I want Grandma's cookies.
Come on, everyone. The taxi is here.
Wow, our trip is finally starting. I want to sit near the window.
Don't forget your bags, children.
I have my teddy bear and my backpack. And I have my train too.
Wow, the city looks so beautiful today.
Look, Rameen, I can see birds in the sky.
Yes, children, it is a lovely morning.
We will reach the railway station very soon. We are here, everyone!
Wow, the railway station is so big.
I can see a train sign.
Stay together, children.
Wow! Look at that big train!
The railway station is so busy. Stay close to us, children. Can we get a snack? Yes, please.
Would you like some snacks for the journey?
Yes, Papa. I want juice and sandwiches. And I want cookies.
All right, let's buy some snacks before the train arrives. Here are your sandwiches and cookies, children.
Thank you, Papa. The sandwich smells so good. These cookies are delicious. Eat carefully, children. The train will arrive soon.
I love family trips so much. And I love railway station snacks.
Come carefully, children. The train is here.
Wow, the train looks so big and beautiful. I want to sit near the window. Shahzain, look! The trees are moving so fast! Wow, Rameen, I can see cows in the green fields. And look at the river, it looks so beautiful.
I love this train journey so much. The countryside is very peaceful.
Yes, traveling by train is always special.
Rameen, look! Who is that? She looks like a princess. Hello, little travelers. I am Princess Tuba. Wow, your wheelchair looks magical! Every journey becomes magical when your heart is full of wonder. Magic is not only in fairy tales, it lives inside brave hearts, kind smiles, and beautiful dreams. Wow, this feels magical.
Look over there. Grandma is waiting for us.
Grandma!
My sweet children, welcome home!
We missed you so much!
My sweet children, I missed you too.
Wow, Grandma's village looks so beautiful. The air feels so fresh here. Yes, children, village life is peaceful.
I made all your favorite foods today.
Wow, Grandma! Everything smells so delicious! These cookies are amazing! Thank you, Grandma. The dinner looks beautiful.
It feels wonderful to eat together again.
My home is always happiest when my family is here. Look above, children. The night sky is full of stars.
Wow, the moon looks so beautiful tonight. And the stars are shining everywhere.
Every star has its own little light, just like every child.
This night feels magical. Maybe Princess Tuba can see the stars too. She came from the sky.
Magic becomes real when hearts are full of wonder. My dear friends, today was a beautiful adventure. You traveled, you learned, and you shared happy moments together. Always remember, kind hearts shine brighter than stars.
Keep learning,
Keep dreaming and keep believing in yourselves.
We will, Princess Tuba. Thank you, Princess Tuba.
Goodbye, my little friends.